Hi, my name is Favor. Welcome to my channel. Today we have a FabFitFun Box Summer Edition with extras and add-ons and all sorts of stuff. So let's get into this box. Okay, so FabFitFun is a quarterly subscription box. It's a box of lifestyle, fitness, oh, you name it. Sometimes there's kitchen gadgets in here, there's a fitness piece, there's makeup, there's skincare, there's hair care, there's just all sorts of things in this box. And it is $49.99 a quarter or $199 a year. There's a discount if you pay annually, not much, but there is one. And I will leave my link for you below. If you click on my link, you get $10 off your first box. It's a fantastic box. I've had this for years, I think 3-4 years I've had my subscription box. This one is huge because I actually have add-ons, and in selection, I picked 2 items each, so I'll explain that. Before we get into the box, I wanted to show you the few add-ons that I picked up. I have picked this up before. This is a dash cam. It was $25 or $29. And the first one I picked up worked pretty well. And so I picked up another one for another vehicle. And that was in the add-ons. It's such an odd thing. I mean, like this time in add-ons, they had furniture. So they had some luggage and things like that. They always have a variety of things. So you can add these items onto your box and they ship with your box. It's like a little store they open up online, and you can choose items from it and add them to your box, and they ship with your box. Okay, so there's that one. And then here is another one. This is shampoo, clarifying therapy shampoo in clean by Ovation. Just, that's another add-on. It was $9.99, so I thought it, fine to try. This is a leave-in detangler and a clarifying shampoo. There we go. And lastly, a little blingy bling. This is by Ruka Friedman. It is a beautiful gold bracelet. I found this so pretty. It's heavy. It's much heavier than I thought it was going to be. Let me get it out of this packaging. Now, I'm a little concerned this is going to be a little big for me because I have very small wrists. You guys, this is really heavy. It's very heavy. All right, so there we go. Yeah, it's a little big for me, but there's some links on here I think I can actually trim off. But there it goes. There it is. It's just a beautiful, heavy gold bracelet. When I say heavy, I mean this probably feels like it weighs a pound. It probably doesn't, but you know. All right, is it to fit myself after the video, but I really like this. I just thought it was so pretty, and this big chunky type bracelet is so in right now. So, I just thought I'd try it. All right, now, everything else in here. Oh no, this is also an add-on. Lip Plumping Collection FPF RX Radiant Lips by Plump and Nourish. I don't know the brand. Let's see very quickly so we can get into this box. Let's see very quickly what's in here. Oh yeah, just some plumping and some lipstick and lip gloss. Perfect. Okay, so now let's get into my actual box. Whew! Now, if you are an annual member, you are open to selection first. So you are given, I don't know, sometimes it's 3 choices, 5 choices of items. So one selection will be 2 items, another selection will be 2 items, and so on. And in those selections, you can pick one that you'd like to have sent to you. Oftentimes, you're given the option of picking both for an additional fee. So sometimes that fee is $10, sometimes it's $15. Just depends upon the box, the item, and so on and so forth. So I have done that. I have added a couple of items to my selection, to my choice. There we go. There's the box. And this is a great magazine. Normally it's like a fold-out page, but now it's a magazine. It's a great read. I always read it. It's a lot of interesting, nice information about the product, just interesting stories. Ooh, $80 off on a coupon for HelloFresh, and then you deserve some summer fun. I'm gifting you $15 off your first fashion. Oh, you'll get $15 off your box if you use my link. So you get $15 off. Awesome. I think I get $10. One or the other. All I am so excited. All right, so the first item, and let's pull it out of here. Okay, so in this option, you had a choice between the necklace or some silicone wine cups. And I don't drink at all, anything like that. And the silicone wine cups actually might have been kind of fun for out by our pool, but I thought the necklace was really, really pretty. So I chose the necklace, and actually I have to put my glasses on so I can see. And the necklace is Zuner Star Double Necklace, a $50 retail value. And I just thought it was so cute with the little stars and the little necklace. I think it's really cute. Yeah. And it's, you know, it's a gold color. It's just really cute. JenniferZunerJewelry.com or JenniferZuner.com. Excellent. Okay, so never can go wrong with jewelry. And then the next option that you had a choice on was the hair dryer. And you could choose the hair dryer, the robe, or a beach bag. Yeah. And I chose the hair dryer. This is Sutra Beauty 1000 watt travel hair dryer. And I will likely be doing a giveaway with this because, you know, I have a hair dryer I travel with. I have a couple of them. But I did choose this because I travel a lot. But I'm not sure 1000 watts is going to be strong enough for my hair. But I'm super happy to have it. I think it's a great idea. So that's awesome. Now, again, there was an additional item you could add on, which was the bowls, I believe. And I did pay the extra to get the bowls, I think. I don't know. I could be wrong. Maybe it was something else. I know there were exercise bands in one of the choices. I didn't choose that. There was a big towel. I didn't choose that. But I did choose these bowls just because I thought they were so pretty. And I do keto cooking vlogs. I cook a lot. And so these little bowls, I always tell you, it's so fantastic to eat your healthy meals out of something beautiful. So you may as well have beautiful dishes. Doesn't mean they have to be expensive. So. Oh, these are so pretty. Look at that. I love it. Absolutely love it. They're so, so pretty. Okay. And these are by 2B West Elm Indigo tie-dye bowls, $39. So, yeah, you had... Yeah, so choice was something that's in this box, the bowls, or a beach bag. And I chose the bowls, and I also chose to add on this, which is the message boards, you know, where you can take out the little letters and put them on the board. I just thought that was really cute. I've seen them all over the place. I just think they're cute. And I thought for 15 bucks, everywhere else I've seen them, they've been 25, 20, 25, 30 bucks. So I thought that was a great option. It'll go nice here in my filming room at some point. I'm switching my filming room around, so that'll have a place once I move my room around. Alrighty. Next, we have Grace and Stella Spray All Day Rose Spray. I'm so happy to get this. I've just recently discovered I actually like the rose sprays, and I spray my skin before I do anything. Before any of my skincare, I give it a spritz with the rose spray that I actually received in this box, I believe, at some point. So this helps keep the skin fresh and moisturized. In addition to help keep your skin fresh and moisturized, it's also great to use a makeup setting spray or as a skin refresher throughout the day. Yeah, there you go. Okay, and I believe this was in everybody's box. Excellent. I will definitely use that. And then this is a Kula makeup setting spray. So you got a choice on this. You could choose between this and I think face masks and something. Oh, this and a cream, a ointment, healing ointment. And I chose the face sunscreen because I'm always in the sun. We travel quite a bit on cruises, and I just thought this was a great option. So 70% organic, and it's a makeup setting spray with SPF in it. Can't have too much SPF. Perfect. And this, everybody got, is a Wish exfoliating foot mask. Soothes and softens intense hydration. I was very excited about this. You know, oh, that smells so good. It's sealed up, but I can still smell it. It smells like coconut. Oh, it smells amazing. A sweet coconut scent. That's awesome. Yep, I'll definitely be using that. Put that on with some socks, or however it says to do it. And then this was also a choice. This is the Nourishing Styling Cream by Living Proof. Living Proof is a great brand, so you could choose between this and an Ico black liner and a mystery item, and I chose this. And the last thing in here that everybody received is a Generation Clay Brightening Purple Clay Mask. Interesting. So apply an even layer to clean dry skin, wait approximately 10 minutes, and gently rinse off in a circular motion. So there you go. I'm good with that. Something you can kind of throw on when you're in the shower, washing your hair and that kind of thing. You just put it on your face and you're good to go. Pop this in right in the middle of me talking. I missed an item when I was picking up my room. I missed an item. It's Invisibobble, the little hair bobble, hair bands. I love these things. These are fantastic. And it's a 6-pack. Perfect. That's everything. Now I have one more item in here. So you had a choice between this, the hair dryer, and a big towel. And I chose the hair dryer, of course, and then I added on for $15 this. This is the Sol de Janeiro. And I love this stuff. I got a sample of the body wash, and I have had many samples and full sizes of this, and I absolutely love it. It smells heavenly. It plumps your skin a little bit, you know, not a whole lot, but it's, you know, just sort of fast absorbing body creams help tighten and smooth like no other. So I think it has, you know, something in it. And I love the body wash. Love, love, love the body wash. So my cat's playing in the box. So 15 bucks for these two. Excellent. Come on now. That's a great deal. They normally retail for $45 for just the shower gel. So there you go. I mean, I don't think it's I think maybe 45 for both, maybe. I don't know, but I love it. I absolutely love it. Okay, well that's everything. This is such a great box. I love FabFitFun. Like I said, I've had them for years. I think I've probably been with this service 3 or 4 years, and I don't ever regret it. You know, even if you get something in the box that's not quite for you, it's great to give as a gift. You know, I've supplied many stocking stuffers, many little girlfriend gifts or friends gifts or things like that from FabFitFun. So it's a great box to get. And I think $49, and the total box value, depending upon what you got in your box, is anywhere from $269.95 to $467.95. I mean, that's incredible. So for 50 bucks. So there you go. All right, my code's below. 15 bucks off your box if you use my code. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you next time. Bye.